Good morning, everyone. Good day, good evening, and good afternoon to everyone out there. Uh, well, as you can see, today it's gonna happen. Well, sort of. It will be like maybe a three-part series or something. But by the end of this weekend, Myllie will be down. I mean, it will be down. So most of you, the last video that I uploaded, got the motor running, and I got the throttle position sensor all calibrated and everything. So it's just a matter of time for me to put this bad boy on and get my list crossed out. Coilover, brake system, wheels and tires. I got a few more parts coming in, maybe by in a day or two, but for now I'm gonna use this for the rear. This is a skunk 2 that I picked up at the junkyard way back. This is supposed to be used on my 95 Civic, but Myllie got it first. But it won't be in there for too long. And of course, just open some boxes. This will happen today, sometime today. Let me get some give you guys a pic on what I am going to put on suspension wise. Of course, unboxing is not complete without some stickers. Camber kit. I am using a TruHart. It's got some good reviews on it. So plus I got me a good price for it, so I went and jumped the gun. But this thing has been sitting in my garage for who knows for how long. Okay, so that's one. And of course, this will be revealed later. Some of you guys already know which one is this, but I got it all covered up just for cactus. And I have this for my coilover body club. I don't know why I picked this one. I'm not really a suspension specialist. I didn't have luck on D2s when I put on Snow White, but somehow I kind of picked this one accordingly to the spring rate, which is, I think the front is 1100 or something, which is I needed for the weight of the G23. I'm not sure if it makes any difference at all, but normally 96 up to 2000, I think, Function and Form and some other brand, it only have like 10,000 pounds on the spring rate. But of course, I know we can always change the spring, but I might as well just get it right out the bat. And this brand, I mean, it's got some good reviews on it, but I'll find out soon. Okay, so this is gonna happen. Not overnight, I tell you that, but it will be on by the end of this weekend. Alright, so where do I begin? I guess I could start at the put this on first, then the coilover, then the brakes, bleed the brakes, and put on the tires. And then maybe, well, that'll be next week. I gotta give it a alignment at least. But what I'm thinking is, if I can align it myself and take it out for a drive, and if I feel like that it's safe to do so, then there's no reason for me to bring it to alignment shop. But I'll see what I can do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start with this. And of course, I gotta go back, make sure everything all secured. like this nut here. I gotta secure that, and I'm gonna give that thing a torque. Make sure, guys, whenever you build a motor, don't just use your impact tools. I really recommend that you give that thing a torque. I know I did gave it a few cranks earlier. I said about a month or two, but I'm gonna recheck that one. And I think I gotta recheck all the ball joints, make sure I got the cutter pin on there and everything. And also, yeah, I gotta replace the lines and everything. I do have a brake line that goes with this, some Goodrich, and I'm just gonna use these lug nuts here. And of course, it's conical. It contours to the shape of the rims. Very important. You don't mix and match. You know, like a ball type, put it on a conical seat, so it might come loose on you. All right, I guess let's do this. Begin with this. Everyone knows, take this off, you just give it a smack. Right there. There are 2 points right in this area. It's almost like a knuckle. So you hit it from there. I'm gonna leave it there for a while I remove the top bolt. This one. And also that one right there inside. Ah. I was just comparing the two as far as like the length of the tie rod. It looks like it's the same, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it all the way out, because I know the car will be lowered anyway. Just save me some time to like adjustment. If anyone out there using these, let me know how you like it. If it's any good, if it's an A or a no or a no. Same thing on the right side. Set it at the max. I know some kit, they have the bolts on top I think this is a lot better. Yeah, you have ways of inserting your tools. I think. I have never used one of these, which is I thought about getting one for Snow White soon. Well, whenever this project get done. It's kind of really hard to have two projects going at the same time. All right. I guess we'll start with the left side, and of course the bolt has to go through first onto here. I'm just gonna snug it, and I'll wait till everything get put on. Then I'll come back and tighten it from there once it's on the ground. Like the boot. The boot is kind of still big and And as far as the torque on this one, I guess will be tight. I guess the rule of thumb is snug it, find a hole, and then start from there. Okay, now I'm just gonna find the hole right there. It comes in with the supplied cutter pin. Right there. Cut the excess. You know, right off the bat, I don't like the way they're the boot. It looks like it's gonna get damaged right here. See that? The bolt. The boot is too big. Man, what's wrong with this engineer? Dang. Oh well. Do you guys have any problem with your camber, the boot being torn off like that? Yeah, make a comment. If it lasted how long, how many miles, or maybe it will be different. You know what? I'm gonna go get the jack and see how it looked like when it's well, normal driving would be, it will be up. Yeah. Okay, so that's how it look. Still, it's just too much. It's just too big of a boot, I say. Alright, so I'm gonna go on the other side and do the same thing on the other side.
This one is from the pack and snug, and then start from there finding the my hole. Take some more. Yeah, I missed it. Right there. There's it. Yep. Just need to cut the excess.
Alright, give it a shake. Alright, I'll wait till everything get put on and it will be on the ground. But I know this is just a short video. I just want to make sure that it's well documented, that's all. Okay, just to recap, this is a TruHart front camber kit for a 1996 up to 2000 Honda Civic. So it's a short video, and I'll see you guys back on the next one. Bye everyone. See you guys back. Bye bye.